W with MRMIKE.
Hey everybody, it's Mr. Mike. Today we are going to learn how to draw a baseball hat. To draw a baseball hat, we only need 3 basic lines and shapes. Can you believe it? An arc, a circle, and a line. Well, that's hat-tastic. Are you ready to see how all this fits together? Let's get started drawing. Let's start right about here on the paper, and we're going to create an arc. So right about there, just like that. Next, we're going to create another arc on the opposite side, but it won't go down as far. Just like that, and stop right about there. Next, we're going to create another arc for the button on top of the hat, like that. Next, we'll use a line, and the line will go straight across to about here. And now we'll create another arc and join these 2 lines. Now we'll create another line here to the top of the brim, and then we'll create an arc here. Now down on this side, we're going to create another line, stop right about there, and then we're going to create another arc to join up here. Okay, and then you can just do a small arc to join these 2 lines right there. Okay, now we'll do another line and connect this to here. Right across. Let's connect that. Okay, and now we'll add another arc. Now we're just going to do some details. Add another arc here. We'll add another arc here, and then we'll add another arc from here down to here, just like that. And now the only time we're using a circle is right here, and you do not have to put, you can draw whatever sports logo you like right here, any emblem that you like. I'm just going to put a circle here, but you can put any sports team's emblem that you want right there. Okay, or you can just put a circle or a square or something that you want to put there. Okay, and there you have it, everybody. Look, it's a baseball hat. Fantastic job. Thanks so much for drawing with me today, and remember, subscribe to my channel for more drawing fun. I'll see you next time. Bye.
For this and other episodes, drawing lessons, activities, and books, please visit drawwithmrmike.com. And don't forget to subscribe to the Draw with Mr. Mike channel on YouTube, Vimeo, and Facebook.
Draw with Mr. Mike. Let's draw with Mr. Mike. DRAW with MRMIKE.